Introducing a portable, cost-effective solution for warpage and flatness measurement of industrial products.
With DWT-505, you can measure and record the maximum warpage of up to 5 mm across a 500 mm wide metal surface. This model is powered by two 18650 lithium-ion batteries, and comes with an inbuilt USB data logger. There is no limit on the maximum data points you can record. The user interface can be designed according to your requirements. DWT-505 is cost-effective and easy to operate. Enables data visualization using MS Excel. Highly portable. Potential applications of DWT-505 include quality control inspection of surface flatness or warpage of rolling stock body shell, printed circuit boards, steel sheets, engine cylinder head blocks, ceramic tiles,